I got it. Well, we're here for a bonus race. We're doing an interesting super speedway variant with leader outside the cones. Usually on super speedway, we go all the way to the outside, and then there's like a cone section out there. Oh my god. But now we're doing like a really tight oval, and the leader outside the cone section is you go all the way in the back and you go around. Holy brother, yeah, you went a little far. Holy! Oh boy, people don't know what they're doing. All right, we're back in. We're back in. We're back in. Oh, this is wild. Brian did not take the cone section properly. Ah! Oh boy, this is good. This is good. Yeah, you don't gotta brake there. Everybody's out here braking. Just a little lift-a-roo till you get some grip. Also, this is gonna be the most brutal leader outside the cone section of all time. I'm gonna end up in last place immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. Oh my god, dude! And I gotta file in because if I stay on the outside, it ain't gonna work. Ooh, this is good. I like the tight super speedway. Oh my god, dude, bro, you gotta fucking, bro, you gotta give me space. You know I'm right there. You gotta give me space. This ain't bumper cars, dog. Okay. I do like that the turn is a little harder. Like, there is room to, like, lift if you want, like, to keep the grip. I don't think you need a brake, but, like, it's better, like, because otherwise, this is, when we're taking it normally, it's just fully a foot to the floor. Yeah, okay, yep, guys, okay, yep, Jesus Christ. Guys, okay, all right, great. Boys, can we, like, pay attention, boys? You almost drove me into the concrete barrier. Like, that's kind of crazy. Okay. It's a little hairy. Get in there, bud. Get in there, bud. Get in there, bud. I'm giving it a bump draft. Let's go. Oh, almost came across my nose. That could have been bad. Okay. Wow! Holy! What a crazy race. Good race.